In the history of WR3D, I already did the introductions of Drew McIntyre, LA Knight, even Roman Reigns in the Wrestling Revolution. By the end of this video, you will know how to do Jey Uso's current interest with the real video title in any Wrestling Revolution mode, and I will teach you it in only 3 stages. I really hope that you are intelligent sufficiently to watch this video until the end, because you are going to see something that nobody did yet. First stage, the record. Look, when you are going to record the interest, first make sure that the screen which you will use as the title in the game is not the same color that the clothes of that superstars are. Let's go. You already saw Jey Uso's interest, so you already know how it starts. So go to the game and record the game's crowd with these lights here. Don't lose much time at this stage. Now put this down on Jey Uso's edition, and don't forget to record the stage in different angles without any superstar there, just like you see now. Record Jey Uso making his way to the first part of the stage, doing this town, and stop the record. Go change the town into the Bloodlines town. Start another record right there where you finish the other record, just to do the Bloodlines town, and go change it again, but now you will put this one. Do the very same thing by going to the ring. Stop the record when you are in the ring post, and return with this sound here, and you're done with the first stage. Stage 2, the edition. I recommend you to use the video editor InShot, as you can download it from Play Store. When you get an InShot, you will click at this option, Video, plus New. Now you will select only the Titantron and the video of the crowd. Click at the green button and update the saturation and the contrast. Select the option Pipe to put more videos there. Select the Titantron again and select the first part of the stage. Put it in the full screen and update the saturation and the contrast. Good. Select this video and click on the option Chroma and put the pencil on the green part of the video. You can adjust it here. Good. Now click at your title and adjust here. Now you don't need to use the keyframe option because it's only a fixed angle video. You don't need it. Make cuts in the minimally 3 times to show the crowd. Now we are going to use the keyframe. Adjust the title and achieve the keyframe by clicking at this button here. Now by shortening the rows of time, adjust the video title where it has to be. Hey, don't forget to cut the videos to put another one and change the tones. Do the chroma effect, adjust the saturation and the contrast, and do this with all the rest of the parts. The interest will end showing the crowd and save that video.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moments away.